Okay, here's the Mudhog, getting pretty close to going to get some of the bits and pieces welded in. Front grille and everything's off. Radiator shroud and fans off, so we can do the body lift. Front guards off. Bit of rust to fix down by the door. Snorkel's off. This passenger side sill that's been cut out. Back guards off. Stripped out inside. LPG tanks disconnected, so we can pull the floor out. Gonna replace the rear body cross member that the back tailgate hinges onto. It's all rusted out. I've got another one. Driver's side panels are off. Driver's side sills been cut out. It's a bit rustier up around the A-pillar, so do a fix repair there. Notice some rust in the inner guard on passenger side, so we'll fix that as well. Generally for a 1974 classic, it's in reasonably good condition, and a bit of rust repair down there, just behind where the door is hinged, and the inner guard of the front wheel. We'll fix that up. Most of the body mounts have been loosened, all the bolts have been taken out. I had the PTO winch sitting in there as well, and cut 60mm off the back of it and set it in a bit further, and it looks better but still sticks out a bit far, so I'll have to play around with that. But that's where we're at the moment. And I've got the rubber flare, which once we start putting the panels back on, I'll play around with. I'm going to put checker plate on the bottom of the doors, and have been thinking about retubbing the rear wheels, but I'm not sure about that. That's all for now.